Hi everyone, it's Sin and I'm back with another unboxing. This time it's the Soul Sampler monthly subscription quilting box from Fat Quarter Shop. So I received it on Thursday, but I didn't get a chance to videotape until today, which is Sunday. We got our house fumigated on Friday, so Friday, Saturday was really busy. So let's get into it, see what we got this month. So it says Spool of Love, January 2019 box. So I'm assuming there might be some Valentine's related things, heart related things inside. So let's get in and see. So there is a promotion code for free 45mm Olfa endurance blade with $40 purchase. So that's good. We get a free blade, which is awesome. And here is the little pamphlet that tells us everything we get. As always, I'll put all the description below, the price of the box, and what the retail value is, so we can see how much we saved on this month. So I'll just put this on the side and refer to it as needed. This one, it's Lay Needle Bird needle threader with cutter. That's super cute. Looks like a little hummingbird. It's blue, and I don't know if mine is broken. Let's open it up, because it looks like the threader part might be sticking out of its plastic protective shell. So let's just see. Let's get into it and see. Might be okay, but let's just investigate. So this is the threader part. Oh, I guess it's fine. It swings open, so it doesn't come off. So this is the little threader part. I hope you can see. And the plastic just is super sharp, so be careful. It just swings out of the way, and this is the threader. So it has a little hook on the end. Let's see if I can get something dark. Sorry, I don't have anything dark. But anyway, there it is. And put that back, and the cutter is right over here between the throat and the wing. And there's a little hole that you could put a little ribbon through, so that it's handy nearby. So that's a little needle threader. The retail value of that, and there's 3 colors available. Looks like a purple, a light purple, sky blue, and a mint. So I got the sky blue one, and it retails for $2.48. Okay, next is this. Oh, this is like the Threadology quilt, which I am going to do the quilt along, because I did get the kit. So it's a Threadology Acrylic Spool Charm. So that's really cute. And this retails for $3.98. So let me get this out. So it's just about 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch thick. It's white acrylic, and there's the Threadology quilt on the front. And I will do the fabric last. And another Olfa, which is really good. Ruby Red 40th Anniversary 45mm Rotary cutter. And I like that it's red, because I don't have a red one. And this retails for $18.98. And I really like Olfa, so that's great. Always good to have an extra cutter. And we have little Snippets by Bonnie and Camille note paper, and this retails for $4.48. It's a 4x6 notepad by Moda Fabrics. It has 80 sheets, so that's really cute. Love the pattern. And let's get into the pattern. It's Soulmates. So it's threads of spool, looks like. And it's a wall hanging pattern. Finished size is 35 by 48.5. So there you go. I'll bring it down here so you can see it better. And it comes with little snippets. And this pattern retails for $9.98. Okay, so that is the pattern for this month. And the barn block pattern is number 10, so we're almost at the end of the year. 2 more. And barn block recipe. I still haven't started it, but I'm excited to start doing it. And the barn block is $4.98 retail. And the best part is the fabric. So the fabric is a fat quarter shop exclusive Petite Little Snippets Honey Bun plus bonus fabric. So let's open it up and get into it so you can see. Let's get the plastic off. So I'm assuming we need this to make the pattern. So it is the, I guess this is called the honey bun, which I've never gotten before. And it's so cute. It's probably 1.5 inches. So it says this collection was inspired by some hard to part with little snippets. Those quilting memories we didn't want to let go of include several gorgeous florals, a Bonnie and Camille measuring tape print, little scissors on the selvage, quilt blocks, and dots, of course. Bonus, we have included the accent and outer border fabrics to get you started on your Soulmates quilt. So yeah, this is, the honey bun has 20 1.5 by 42 inch strips. So I don't really want to unravel it, but you can see how cute they are. So let's see if I can just quickly, sorry, my old girl Piper is in with me and she is not feeling well. She's got vertigo, poor thing, just like me. Okay, so if you can see, they're super cute. And let's get some more, if you can see it. Bring it closer. Some polka dots, some gingham on the bias, looks like. Some more gingham. Some flowers and stripes. Some more. And larger floral designs. So it's super cute. And that's the honey buns. And we also get, it is all dusty. That's not cool. Can you see all that dust on there? That is really not so cool. But it has a measuring tape, red fabric, and the large print. So I will let them know about that, because that they should have dusted it off before they sent it over, but I will let Fat Quarter Shop know about that. And that's it. That's all we got. And again, this retails for $13.98. So thanks for watching. I will list everything down below as usual. And have a great day. Bye.